Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be telling you about the 3 types of voices for singing. 3 types of voices that is very important if in your work to becoming a music superstar or a musician, or you just want to be good, improve your voice, for voice training and the rest. There are 3 types of voices that you already know or you should know. That's why you're probably watching this video, and I'm going to be telling you that. Before we go into that, make sure you click the subscribe button so you can get notification of more of my videos. And if at the end of this video you like it, share it to someone that needs to watch this video. If you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment box. The reason why I continue doing these videos is because of people are getting blessed by their comment. They're asking, okay, we need more videos, so I'm doing more videos for them to get it. Now let's go straight into the point. Now the 3 major voices are your head voice, your chest voice, and your stomach voice. I'm going to be doing an example of those 3 voices, starting from my stomach voice. Now, first of all, you need to understand breath control in order for you to use your stomach voice. The reason why some people can last long, that's stretching some keys. For example, it's because they are singing from the stomach. If you use chest voice, you can't last as long as when you are singing from your stomach. If you use head voice, you can't last as long as when you are even singing from your chest voice. So they have different levels of benefit. A true singer, your type of breathing, you breathe from your stomach. You breathe from your stomach. You understand? From your chest voice. Example. I lift you, oh Lord. I lift you, oh Lord. Then my chest voice. I lift you, oh Lord. I lift you, oh Lord. You can hear it from the texture of my voice. Then my head voice. I lift you, oh. I lift you, oh. I lift you, oh. You see, it gets lighter. You understand? So these 3 types of voice are meant to work together. For example, I lift you, oh Lord. I lift you, oh Lord. I lift you, oh Lord. I lift you. I lift you, oh Lord. You play with it. It enables you, give you the ability to flex your voice. To sing different sound, different variety, different texture of voice. Some people have this crescendo kind of voice, like, I know He rescued my soul, yeah. His blood covered my sins, I believe. You get that? So you need to work on the 3 part of your voice. Don't say, singing with head voice is wrong. It's not. Singing with chest voice is wrong. It's not. Singing with only stomach voice is the main thing. No. The 3 work together. You understand? Your vocal cords, your mouth, your stomach, they work together to bring an amazing sound. Everybody is blessed with an amazing sound. You that are watching this video are blessed with an amazing sound. All you need to do is to discover it. Thank you for watching this video. If there's anything you want to know more about singing or music or the keyboard, you can drop it in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. By liking this video and sharing it, you are really helping this channel a lot. It's giving us more encouragement to do more, and we'll continue to serve it to the best of our ability. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or night, depending on where you are in the world.